2 years ago, on a quiet rainy day, we walked close under one small umbrella, laughing, talking like time would never move. Raindrops fell, but we never noticed because we had each other. And today, it's just me and the rain. The same sky, the same result, but everything feels different. Somewhere along the way, we grew up. And without even realizing it, those school days, those college moments become nothing but memories. We outgrow the moments, but never the memories.